Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1971 C-10. This one here has a believed to be 350 under the hood, power steering. Pretty nice little truck all the way around. I just did a walk around, pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside, so definitely check that out. I'll link the two videos up. That way you can see both of them at the end of this one, about the last 30 seconds. Or just type in the year and the model, Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. You'll find any vehicle on our lot. MapleMotors.com offers financing and shipping information. And all we sell is classic American muscle cars. So hit that subscribe button. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Glance around the interior before I take off. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? This one's got a little bit of a tint strip up here. That headliner looks pretty awesome. Seat's in pretty good condition. There's a little rip right up under me about this long. You can see that in the walk around. Tinted windows all the way around. Carpet's not in terrible condition. I mean, it could use some new carpet, honestly, but let's start it up. Oil pressure's up. Temp gauge came up. Gas gauge. Hope we're not about to run out. I don't want to run out. Faceplate to the radio is in the office. Our blower motor's not going to work. Windshield wipers, they do. And the mileage, it's showing 12,000 miles, but I cannot stand behind that. 71 model. Torn time, y'all ready? That kind of burnt my hand. All right, let's take off. Definitely going to open my vent window up here. Let some of that leg air in. All right, I see the speedometer coming up on the dash there. Kickdown's not hooked up on this truck. If I let go of the steering wheel, I'll gradually pull to the left. Front end may be out of the line. Hitting the brakes, they're stopping pretty fast, and it's not pulling to the left or right. Doesn't look too bad. Everything feels pretty good. I mean, the ride's smooth. I'm 100% stopping at the gas station because I do not want to run out of gas today. I'm ready for fall weather to punch. I'm tired of burning up. We're going to get off this main road, head over here to the gas station. We'll put about $20 worth of premium fuel in this car, or truck, and we'll keep rolling out. Here we are. Let's get this gas. Good deal. Just put about $20 worth of fuel in this truck. We're going to check that gas gauge, make sure it works. Just usually put your fuel in right here. Fairly new cap they put on there. Let's watch the gauge. It was dead on empty. Still is right now. Oh yeah, it does work. We was empty. Let's go. Got y'all set up right beside my head. I mean, I got my little head mount, but I'm so sweaty I don't feel like putting it on. So far so good. We were circling around the parking lot. The temp gauge is about 195, I guess. Every time I goose this truck, it just spun the tires. I'm lucky I didn't get in trouble. It'll be all right though. See, I told you. Just give it a little bit of throttle and it takes it to the extreme, don't it? Let's go. This truck really does feel awesome going down the road. It's got plenty of power. Brakes feel good. It does have a slight pull to the left. And if I let go, I'll end up in that lane. Steering's nice and tight too. As soon as I turn, it turns. It's hardly any play at all. We do got that wacky gauge though. It's going from empty to full. That thing's jumping around like crazy right now. I guess to know how much gas you gotta have, you gotta stop at the red light and wait till all the gas settles down. This is the road with the speed bump in. It'll kind of give you an idea on suspension. A little bit bumpy, but it's what I expect from a truck. It's coming up about right here. Be a little bumpy. Could be better. It's kind of sat up to give you an idea. This one, it feels like you get up to about 30 miles an hour and you mat it, it'll just start spinning the tires. It's done that almost every single time I've done it too, so. It's got plenty of power. Our engine temp is at 190 now, and our oil pressure's pretty much the same as it was when we started this video. I'm gonna pull up in the car lot now. Go ahead and conclude this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. We did start a TikTok, so definitely check that out. There's one that's named TikTok Justin, and then the other's Maple Motors Classics. That's the one I post most of the videos on. But check both of them out. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. We're trying to take over on the social media. I don't know if I'm gonna do Twitter, but we'll get everything else done. Hope y'all enjoyed this. All right, guys, go ahead, check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping information. We post videos like this all the time, so hit that subscribe button. You can also follow the music channel, top right-hand corner. And I have got like 13 or 14 cars to get to this week, so you're talking almost 30 videos for y'all. Let's get this done. Let's do this, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.